Looks like she could actually win this thing. She's going for the fireman carry herself. Big drop down.
Landed on her feet, but
she's got her up. Oh, here we go.
Oh, right on that neck.
That's it.
Stunner there.
Split leg.
Don't know how much she got of it. Oh! She got all of that.
Between two wrestlers. First looking for Kryptonite. Crunch! Kryptonite the kick! His strength! And good Toni! As close as you get. Fireman's carry. Carry crush. Oh, there you folks.
Kick straight to Ginny. Elizabeth caught Ginny with the hairspray. And it's something cross. Oh my God!
Super kick into Storm. Oh! Oh no! Edwin's down.
Oh, huge Toni.
Oh, Edwin's
Could be our next champion right there. Oh, she sneaks it off. Toni Storm catches a Toni Storm now. And that's Jane with
The fact that Saraya perhaps spent a bit too much time jawing at the crowd.